のってなるじゃん。When I'm in a rush, I cut into small pieces like this so that you can faster your cooking process, especially in the morning. Just for your reference, my vegetable mix, frozen vegetable mix, got a corns and green peas and carrots. This will be ready in 20 minutes from start to finish. And best part is, it only requires minimal chopping. Some people say the frozen vegetable lose quality and flavor, but for me, they are strong ally in the kitchen. I always find myself thinking about how to make my kitchen experience more convenient because that is the secret to sustainability of everyday cooking. So once you add the tuna, you can off the heat and taste this before you serve. Mine needs a little more salt, so I'm going to add the salt and a splash of soy sauce. 美味しいけどちょっと薄い. So just a pinch of salt. Probably about quarter teaspoon of soy sauce for the saltiness and the umami. So I always try to follow this Ichiju Sansai philosophy, which is composed with 1 rice and 1 soup and 3 small side dishes. Just having this idea back of your mind is naturally guide you to add more ingredients, variety of ingredients to your meal. So it's simple but very powerful. So I hope you guys gonna try that. And I have a Japanese breakfast cookbook right here. So if you wanna check that out, that would be great. Pizza toast とごま和え。これはレシピが載ってます。みんなご飯食べるよ。待たないよ。うまっ？あ、ほんと？
なんか味がするな。この黒いの。
あ、ごまかな？さあ、スープどう？おいしい。お、よかった。おいしいよ。よかった。すごい。結構食べてるね。おいしいってこと？これは感想ゼロ。うまい。あ、よかった。肘になんかついとる。洗わなきゃ。ついてる。All the recipes I shared in this video have a recipe on my website. Check out the link in the description box. Hey.
So excited!
煙映ってる。This is something I often make when I want to add an extra soup to my solo lunch. It's soup
that despite just adding hot water, instantly brings relaxation to the moment you take a sip. So let me introduce you to it. Because I mentioned Ichiju Sansai style earlier, it makes me feel like sharing one more easy side dish with you. So let me briefly show you too.
こんな感じ。クリーム、よし、ほうれん草。え？下の方についてるやつも全部取ろう。取ってくれたごまえ。で、完成。Okay, so if you are watching this up until the end of this video, I believe you are long-time viewers. So I'm gonna ask you something. I have a question. So some of you might know that I've been in this accelerator program to learn more business side of my thing. Then my advisor asked me that how your content is great, but how do you monetize it? And I post because the only thing that I was focusing on is how to bring the joy of Japanese cooking to the world. That's it. So I was really confused. But they're right. I have to make it into business somehow to be able to continue being in front of you guys. So I decided to ask, is there anything that you want? I want to make a product with you guys to empower your life through Japanese cooking and allow me to continue to be on the camera and also support the local Japanese makers. It's fantastic if I can connect you guys with the Japanese culture. That'll be my dream. So if there's anything that you want, let me know in the comment section. So one thing on my mind is Japanese Ichiju Sansai style tableware. That's gonna bring you a joy. It's really beautiful setting, and also it helps the portion control as well. And also maybe the Japanese knife, because I use it every day and it have to be really sharp and useful. So that's my opinion. If you have anything, let me know in the comment section. Thanks all for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.